It's good to see everyone's beautiful faces here for our first ever Trailblazer dinner. The commanders are eager to kind of push the social justice initiative forward, and you guys are the start of it. You're the ones out in the community every day doing the work, so we thank you so much for your contribution. And yeah, a round of applause.
I love what y'all are doing in terms of taking the initiative of helping those that need your help. So what all of you are doing right now in your own way is fantastic. And I'm honored to be a part of this. And I thank Morgan and I thank the commanders for giving me this platform.
Without further ado, the winner today will be Mr. Paige.
Love, man.
This is amazing to win this award, not just because I'm excited and I got the football and all that good stuff, but it's more important, it shows like people really paying attention and people are caring enough to say that all of the work that everybody that was nominated is doing in the community, that we can continue to do. And sometimes we all need a little pat on the back. Thank you to G Unity, the commanders. Man, this is dope. I really appreciate it.